What's up, guys? It's CG Matthew, and welcome to another video. This is the final video of the year, and we're unboxing the SkyTech Archangel 4. I'm going to use this to make better videos. Let's get right into it. I'm not using a knife. Do you want me to get demonetized? No, I didn't think so. I'm trying to make money here. Okay, fuck the demonetization. I'll make better videos. Okay, watch where I'm cutting here. Oh yeah, I'm a fucking emo kid. I'm cutting shit. Okay, that actually might get me demonetized. I'm not sure about this though. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, SkyTech Gaming. What, I have a knife? You better subscribe to my YouTube channel, you motherfucker. I'll cut you. Okay, SkyTech Gaming. Oh, no one gives a shit about your discounts. Does anyone want free discount codes? Wait, are there any? Is like a gift card or something here? No, there's not. It's just a stupid folder. No one gives a shit about that. Okay, what's this? What is this? This is like a cord? Okay, well, we got us a cord. We got a cord. Some screws. We're not really gonna open those screws. We got us a power cord. We got us whatever it's called, cord. And we got us some rods, it looks like. Rods, I don't know what that's called. But then again, we're gonna keep this shit where it is. Okay, what, oh. Okay, we gotta turn it some way. Okay, oh. They don't come with instructions. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, we got a free mouse? I mean, I already got a mouse. I bought one, but what's it look like? Is it good? Oh, okay. Oh, it's one of the kinds that has holes in it. ASMR. But does it light up? Bullshit. Okay. Oh, fuck off. Get out of here. Okay. Okay. Now they're just fucking with us. Cause I knew I bought the one that didn't have the keyboard and the mouse, but that's good. That's okay, I guess. Okay. Okay, we got us a keyboard. And I won't be surprised to find a monitor in here, but probably not. I wouldn't be surprised though. And that's okay though. Get the fuck out of there, bitch. Alright. Okay, that's it. We're turning it over. Oh yeah, it's safe to turn it over. Okay, yeah, it's safe. It's safe. I gotta move, y'all. Okay, I'm putting y'all down. Okay, I'm knocking shit over. Alright. Y'all get it. Alright, okay. Luckily this time I'm wearing shoes. Oh, I can crawl into that box later. Oh, it's upside down. Okay, let me flip it. Okay. I'm just trying to give you an idea what this looks like. Okay, let's get it. Let's get it going. Okay, what's this PC about to be looking like? Is it gonna be liquid cold? We're about to find out. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Okay, it's got a bunch of plugs in it. Does it got any back here? Okay. Monitor connection right here. Oh, okay, I'm putting y'all back up. Okay. All right, on the coffee table, okay. Ooh, we gotta, okay. I'm not sure if this part's required or not, but that's okay. Okay, oh. Okay, how do we open this? Does it have tempered glass? Handle with care, okay. Okay. Okay, look. I'm trying not to undo anything here. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to open this PC. It's not that, I don't really think it's that hard at all. Okay, I'm gonna do something shitty. Oh, no, I'm not. Never mind. Okay. How do you open this? Because I gotta get that shit out of there so the PC don't overheat. This is weird. It ain't a CG Matthew video without a little bit of complication. Okay, no. Oh, we gotta peel it. Okay. Peeling the PC. Oddly satisfying check. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh! Oh yeah! Peeled that shit. PC start guide. Did they give us a PC start guide? Is that what's in that folder? PC start guide. Okay. Oh. Oh, you do gotta take these out. Okay, I understand. They're going right back in though. Oh, damn, that scared me. Stop! Go make pancakes! This is about to be sucky. Okay. Okay, this is a two-hand job. No, don't tell me you gotta build this. Okay, you don't. Okay, ooh, first time touching a graphics card. We got, okay, let me pick it up here. GeForce RTX 46. Okay. Uh-oh, I dropped the screws. Okay, I'm fine. Okay, I'm dropping screws. I'm lucky I didn't break that glass. I was about to break my own ass. If you break that glass will break your ass. That's what my uncle told me about the glass table when I was little. If you break that grass, oh my God, grass. If you break that grass outside, it'll break your ass outside. This feels empty. This feels more empty than it should. Okay. We'll clean this back. Okay. Now we gotta find that other screw. There's one over there. Okay, this is about to be a good CG Matthew video. Huh. Will Matthew find the screw? Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Okay. Can it live without the screw? Yes, it can. Hold on. Actually, I got a better idea. Let's do it like this. Let's do a number like this. Or it's just randomly gonna fall out. Stay on there, damn it. Oh, I think I done fucked it. Okay, this is... Oh no. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. Oh, I found it. I found the other screw. Okay, I'm afraid to go over them. Yeah, I'll get a million views if this breaks on camera. Okay, gotta scooch over there. 12 minutes. Oh shit, okay. Let's go. Screw this other screw on. Oh, it's down there. Oh, y'all are getting a really good look at this, I bet. Okay. Alright, is there any plastic anywhere? Because I'm trying to fuck something up. Thermal paste. Okay. Oh my god, I forgot to get a piece of foam out of there. Okay, we gotta take good care of these screws here. Here's the Adderall. Where is it at? First time touching PC fan. Yo, this shit's. Okay, don't want to leave that in there. Okay, let's. Okay, stay there, you motherfuck. Okay. Oh yeah, you love seeing me touch this PC, don't you, baby? Don't you? Okay, that. And now I'm being childish. Okay. Balls. I don't like making out. Well, I took that from Jeffrey. Oh my god. Okay, PC quick start guide. Okay, I gotta plug some stuff in. Checking external whatever. Okay. Okay. Okay, something's got to be connected to something. Does everything got to be plugged in? So I'm seeing some loose cords here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to follow these guides incredibly quickly. Bro, I've worked so hard for this. Okay. I worked too hard just to give up now. As soon as I blew up, it was going down. I'll make sure if I move this PC, it's not gonna fuck me. Ooh, okay. Ooh, this is a risky job here. Okay, there's wire ties around this. Okay, this has got to be done on camera. I'm sorry. Okay, this is very risky what I'm about to do. Never try this. If you hear me, never try this or I'll come after you. Okay. Don't make a little opening for me. Okay. Well, I'm trying not to apply too much pressure. Ooh, okay, we got it. I think we did. Ooh. Every fire, okay, got that through. Okay, quick start guide. Okay, is there anything else that has wire ties on it? No. Okay, we got plug something to something. How do I? Okay. What plug-in do I exactly plug it into? Where does it go? Oh, it goes up there. Okay. Sounds simple enough. Plug into the motherboard, or is it? No. Wait, no. Where does this go? I'm not trying to apply too much pressure to this. Okay, how many holes are in this? 6. Need a 6-hole deal. Oh, where? Alright guys, I'm gonna get back to y'all.